Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Gardol Hedge Trimmer. First, ensure the trimmer are powered off for safety. Carefully remove the cutting blade and use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen the cover screw. Remove the old battery carefully and replace it with the Sino CS-GSE120PW battery. Next, solder the wires in this sequence. Black wire first. Followed by yellow wire. Then the white wire. And finally the red wire. Ensure all connections are secure. Return the PCB board and the new battery to their original positions. Neatly organizing the wires to prevent any issues. Reassemble the safety lock button and trigger button. Then, fasten the cover by tightening the screw. Finally, reinsert the cutting blade and attach the light cover with care. And that's it. Thanks for watching.